Hello, friends. God bless you and welcome back. Out with the old and in with the new for 2023. And this is our last week of the 4 weeks of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering your home. And today I am going to purge out my spices, or maybe some of you call it seasoning, and a few other things. And this is what I'm working with today. And I have to go through and purge it out, reorganize it, and trying to get it better. I want to thank all my beautiful co-hosts for co-hosting with me. Friends, the names and links of the channels will be in my description box. Please go and check them out. Thank you so much for stopping in. Friends, as I go through this and clean and pull everything out, of course, I have a messy cabinet with seasoning has spilled inside, and I'm going to clean this up with some vinegar and water, and did end up putting up a little bit of bleach in it because of the paprika color. I know that's what it is. It's really stained. So once I get this done, then I can proceed forward. Friends, this is what I purge out. This is the reveal. It looks so much better. The things that I purged were some outdated seasoning and some things that were empty bottles as I filled up the spice bottles. So I thank God for that. That's a blessing. And also in this year's challenge, I'm going to do 223 things that I purged out of my home. Maybe I should have started counting it, but I haven't started yet. Friends, this is number 2 project. I am going to purge out this drawer. I'm telling you, it is overflowed. So this is a much needed project here. And afterward, it looked so much better because you got to get rid of the things that you don't need in your home. I want to thank all the beautiful ladies that co-host with me. God bless you. Guys, please go and check out the channel and please let them know that Penny sent you. Friends, this is the reveal. It looks so much better. Take time to love your home again. Declutter just one space, even if it just get to it once a week. Friends, please go back and watch the playlist. I thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And I will leave you some more videos to watch in my end screen. Please watch another video. God bless you from Penny. Bye-bye.